Ready or not, it is tax day 2022. The calendar gave us all a brief extension, but that extra time is running out. LEX 18's Michael Burke explains in today's big story at noon.
The day has arrived. It's tax deadline day, and your 2021 return needs to be postmarked before midnight tonight and on its way to the IRS. We got a slight extension this year due to the normal April 15th filing deadline falling on Emancipation Day in Washington. But unless you've been granted an additional extension by the IRS, your 2021 tax return needs to be filed or at least postmarked by midnight tonight, or you could incur some late fees or penalties. There's a lot of change this year as well, most notably with the child tax credit. Millions of Americans took advantage of that by opting for monthly payments from July through December. While that won't increase your burden or change your earnings, it could reduce what you might be owed had you not taken that credit as a payment. It could also mean that you owe a little this year, given it lessened your total deductions. Other deductions have been phased out in recent years, and capital gains in the markets could also change the adjusted gross income you may have been accustomed to in years past.
The child tax credit was increased for 2021. However, at the same time, some of that was also paid as a prepayment. So people who might be expecting a larger refund at the end of the year actually, received that money throughout the year over the last 6 months of the year. So that's a major reason why we're seeing people may owe when they weren't anticipating to owe.
And while most people these days file electronically, it wouldn't be surprising to see a line here at the post office, because sometimes an e-file is not accepted, and then the post office by midnight becomes a necessity. In Lexington, Michael Burke, LEX 18 News.